Little Giant VCL-45ULS Condensate Removal Pump. VCL-45 series pump is rated for high-efficiency gas furnace applications that produce an acidic condensate. Features vertical type pump unit, leak-proof, rust-proof, ABS tank, ABS switch cover and pump stand. 3/8 OD copper tube discharge safety switch included. Can be connected to shut down the air conditioner condenser or wired to an alarm to warn of possible tank overflow. 45 shut-off head UL/CSA listed. Thermal overload protected specifications. Motor 1/5 HP 1 gallon tank capacity. Intermittent liquid TEMP up to 120 degree F flow, 450 GPH at 1 of head discharge. 3/8 O.D. housing, N/A cover, galvanized steel motor shaft, stainless steel shaft seal, N/A screen, ABS cord length, 6 ft weight, 14 lbs height, 10.5 width, 6 length, 12 volute, ABS impeller, polypropylene electrical, 230 V, 50/60 Hz, 1.0 amps.